Oh, I'm wearing this shirt again. Just like in a million freaking videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I just got off of work from a split shift. So I did 9 to 12 and then I went back to work to do 4 to 9. Yes, but I have to get this video in because I know tomorrow I'm not gonna do anything. Tomorrow's my one day off. One day off. I had this for like 2 weeks, no lie. They gave it to me, I believe, on the 7th, super early. And this is the Boxyluxe from March. You guys peek first. I love opening up boxes for makeup. Bam, shorty. By the way, I know I'm gonna sell some of this stuff, so if you want any of these things, I always post it on a Facebook beauty chat and I end up selling it fast. This is really pretty. I love this color. Ooh, a nice snuggly travel size bag. Let's see, and it says Boxycharm as soon as you open that flap. Yeah, this is really nice. Ew. It smells like fish in here. I'm so disappointed. I was expecting, like, when you open a brand new book, a brand new magazine, that scent, and it smells like freaking fish in here. Are you kidding me? Like bad fish. Boxycharm, why you gotta do me dirty like that? Why you gotta be roasting these bags up in fish? It's the iconic London eyebrow cushion. I prefer to use the pomade because the powder's been looking like too powdery, if that makes sense. This is the brow cushion. Right in here, so you have to peel that off and get a brow cushion. I don't know, I wonder if I would like it. I'll debate if I want to try this. This is big. For all skin types, confidence in a cream, transforming moisturizing super cream. So this is like just a regular moisturizer, anti-aging, so that's good. Anti-aging cream. The Becca lipstick. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Ooh, this is a pretty color, crimson. Look at that. Oh, I'm hype, I'm hype. Let me see. This is my first Becca lipstick, or my first Becca product? No, I have the primer. This is my second. Ooh. This is like a, is it red orange? It's more like a ruby red. Like, not so much of that orange in there that I was hoping for. I'm not really a red fan. I wish this was a nude. Yeah, it is nail polish. I wish this was from Kale Polish because they're shutting down. I'm so sad about that. I like when they say 7 free, 10 free from the harsh chemicals that actually really harms our nails. This is like a rosy gold depending on the lighting. And this color is actually really pretty. It's a mauve. Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. So I'm not into mask. I know mask is really, really good for the skin. I'm just not into it, so I'm definitely gonna sell that. Oh, lashes, not my best friend. Lily lashes. I know lashes are so cute. They define the whole look. If you saw my last video, you obviously know I'm not familiar with lashes. I don't play with the glue. I don't do it. 2 brushes from Moda. Cool. So I see this as a nice highlight brush. I'm not sure if they're labeled. They're not. And then this brush could totally be a nice powder brush for anywhere. I wouldn't say foundation. I'm gonna use this as a powder brush. Yeah, they actually did give me the wrong. They gave me the wrong palette because they emailed me saying, oh, we may have given you the wrong palette because I was actually light to medium. They gave me medium to deep. So they gave me a whole bunch of points so that way I can get a free item from their charm room. And I'm kind of disappointed because I never tried Cover FX. This comes with everything from highlighter to contour to powder to a blush. So that's really disappointing. I was actually super excited for this face palette because it comes with absolutely everything and I know it's really expensive. It's the 15B Bunch Babe, a Morphe palette. It's leak. I'm actually not keeping a lot of these things, to be honest with you, but whatever. I love Boxycharm and they mostly give high-end stuff, so yeah. I hope you still enjoyed seeing the things that I got in this month's box. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like and comment. Tell a friend to subscribe. Share this video with others. Let's get to 500 subscribers. And let me know what you want to see next. Comment down. Thank you guys. Bye.